Welcome to Old South Church. This congregation's founded back in 1669, back in Puritan Boston, when this was just a bay of water, the Back Bay neighborhood. This beautiful building, though, built in 1875, and when they dig it up, they find some of these burial stones from some of the founders of this church, including a guy with a great name, Joshua, a nice name over there. And it's kind of curious, what year did he die? Is it 1697 or 8? And then how about this one? Here lieth the body of John Alden, Sr., March of 1701 or 2? What's going on here? So when the Puritans come here, they're using the Julian calendar, which is established by the Roman Emperor Julius. And then around this period of time, there's a pope who comes along named Gregory. He's like, I got a whole better calendar for us. It's called the Gregorian calendar. The people here, though, the Puritans, they want nothing to do with papery. So they're like, absolutely not. We're not going to use this pope's calendar. Forget about it. But the whole world is moving on. Eventually, Parliament's like, listen, you have to do it. But for a while there, they're kind of using both because they're holding on to the old ways. You know how that is, right? Sometimes you like to hold on to the old ways. And here it is, carved in stone, a remembrance of that. They say Boston's the most European city in America, and a cafe like this really proves the point. It's in an old house from the 1800s here in this beautiful neighborhood of the Back Bay, and it focuses on gourmet chocolate. So we're in summer, so you gotta have your iced chocolate. Let's see. Oh my gosh, that is so rich. And the pastries are unbelievable. This is a passion fruit mousse cake. Let's give it a go. Oh man, I'm so excited. Wow, unbelievable. Come on out, you gotta try this. So good. These purple windows here in Beacon Hill are a hidden gem, a local secret. So when this neighborhood's built in the early 1800s, they get a huge shipment of glass over from England to build these Federalist-style mansions. And the glass comes with a slight excess of manganese, which no one notices because it takes decades of exposure to sunlight for them to turn purple. So if you have these original purple windows in your house, it's like a status symbol. It's like, this is an original home this one's from 1817. So that's pretty cool. People like to celebrate it, put it up there. And as you walk by, you'll notice a few more here in this beautiful residential neighborhood of Beacon Hill here in Boston.